The British National Health Service has fallen victim to a major cyber attack, with researchers warning a dozen other countries may be affected. A number of computer systems within the NHS network in England and Scotland have been shut down as a result of the attack, meaning appointments cancelled, ambulances diverted and patients asked to avoid some emergency departments. The British government has declared a major emergency within the health service.
This is the message nobody in the NHS wanted. A demand for a ransom that has paralysed the IT systems at selected NHS trusts.
This morning we got word that a neighbouring practice had some kind of cyber attack and that we should watch out. So we printed our afternoon appointment list, and sure enough at 1:30 something weird happened on the PC when we were having a meeting. And we had a notice that told us that our whole system was encrypted, we couldn't access our records, and if we wanted to get our records back again, we had to pay the equivalent of $300 in Bitcoin to some address, and we've been shut down since then.
NHS Digital have said 16 parts of the NHS have been hit, but many more across England and Scotland have reported problems or taken precautionary measures. It's affected both hospitals and some GP surgeries. Ambulances have also been diverted at some hospitals. A number of trusts have asked people not to visit A&E unless absolutely necessary. Some NHS trusts say they've cancelled cancer and outpatient appointments. And it's not just in the UK. In Spain, a number of companies, including telecoms firm Telefonica, have also been infected with malicious software. Portugal Telecom was also hit by a cyber attack, but says no services were affected. But when it comes to care providers, like hospitals, the effects are instant and potentially put lives at risk. The longer this goes on, the more difficult it becomes. Discharging patients, for example, is something that normally requires the data that is stored on those NHS computers. Getting the all clear and getting going again can't come soon enough. The investigation into who might be behind the attack is underway. Tom Parmenter, Sky News, Warwickshire.